Right, so I just want to show you this trap. Now I'd like to say that I invented it, but no doubt somewhere, sometime, someone probably invented a very similar or the same thing. I once read about a thing about a bloke who swore blind that he'd invented this spring pole trap for pheasants. Said he'd never read a trapping book in his life or anything like that, never seen any other pictures, and he invented this trap. And then when he looked at the picture, it was exactly the same as a sand bushman bird trap, but he said he'd never seen the original, and he invented that, and by pure chance he'd invented something what someone else had made. Anyway, so what I was doing, I'd been looking at a lot of these bamboo kind of rat traps, you know, kind of Filipino, Thailand bamboo rat traps. And what got me thinking is, I wonder if you was in a place where you didn't have bamboo, because bamboo's excellent for making traps, and you've got tubes and pipes, you know, and it's springy. But what if you was in a forest or somewhere where it didn't have that kind of thing, but you wanted to make something similar? So this is what I come up with, a similar kind of thing, but not using bamboo, just using ordinary sticks. So what you've got is this forked stick with the string and the toggle there, two bendy sticks tied each end, and then the toggle just holds up one of them, and this stops the toggle flipping out. Once that goes down, the toggle flips and down comes the top bar. Now this is a bit of a prototype because these two aren't very strong, but you still get the idea. But these could be stronger, or maybe wrapped in. You're not going to have elastic in the wild, but if you could make this at home and wrap these in elastic to give it a lot more spring. But this version, it just doesn't quite close up right. So you'll see the idea of how it would work. So you would put this on a run or something, or block the sides off, so the only way through is there. Maybe build a little kind of cubby at the back. You could even have these two longer as spikes, so they stuck into the ground. That would be a good idea. And then when the rat or whatever stands on this, you get the idea. Like I said, it doesn't quite close up at the minute because I need to get stronger sticks and maybe try it again. Now setting it is easy, but I don't know if I can show you on camera. I might be able to. I'll just turn this part of the camera around. Oh yeah, actually I will be able to show you. So you just hold it against your chest, draw it back, put that there. And then insert your stick in there. Or you can do it the other way around. Depending on what way you put this stick, so relatively simple to make, but it's important that these have got to be strong, or if not both of them, I reckon as long as one of them is. One thing I forgot to mention is the ends here and here I've cut flat, so they lay against each other rather than twisting off each other, if you know what I mean. So there's a portion there which is flat, a portion there. But I've noticed that the stick here and here is bending there and there, as though it's going to snap soon. So what you'd want to do is make sure these are really strong sticks, and you could have one thick flat one at the bottom and just have the top one bendy. Just seeing if I've got a thicker stick. The animal will go through, stand on that. Like I said, it really wants to close right down if possible. But these ones have just got a bit of... These are green sticks, so they are going to take a bit of a set, I think. I think you might be able to see there the flat portion. See it there? Can't really see. This is a bit of a nightmare to show it, especially in the garage. But you would get it, you know. You just pull that up, hook that under, then put the stick there. Actually, I've put this round the other way. It wouldn't matter what way you put it, but right. Anyway, like I said, I'd like to say I invented it, but you never know. Someone somewhere has probably already made this. Right. What I'll do, if you want to see me making one, when I get some thicker, stronger sticks, I'll actually do a video of making one. And I've got some other ideas as well for similar traps. Right, cheers for watching, and I'll see you later.